yes, I have kiwis on my shirt. Anyways, hi everyone, I'm Niharika and today's video is going to be a product review. So for the longest time, I've been saving up to buy the Clinique Sonicare brush, and I have acne prone combination skin. I've heard great reviews about this, so I thought why not test it myself. I've been using this brush for around 3 weeks and the results are pretty good so far. So I thought I'll show you how this works, and in case any of you are interested, this product is slightly expensive, but it is indeed a one-time investment. So the Sonicare comes with a detachable brush head that you can remove, and you have to change once in every 4 months. It also comes with a charger. So initially when you buy it, you have to charge it for 24 hours, but after that it will go on for as long as a month. Also, I have heard a lot about the Clinique 1, 2, 3 steps, and I got a free sample of the same. The first step is a face wash, which is for oily and combination skin. The second is the clarifying toner, which is for acne prone skin. And finally, the third is the step that we always seem to neglect, which is moisturizing. Now I'll show you how the product works, and I'll also do a small tissue test so that you guys know the softness of this bristle. And I'll also show you how I use it in my daily routine. So basically, to check the softness of the bristles, I'll be dabbing some water on this toilet tissue paper, which is so soft and so thin, and I'll be rubbing the bristle over it. So here it goes. So as you can see, I have my moisturizer and BB cream on and a lipstick. So let's get ready to wash my face. So the first thing I do is put on a hairband so that my hair doesn't get oily from the front. I'm using the first step, which is the face wash for oily skin, and I'm applying it all over my brush head. So now all I'm doing is dabbing water on my face and using the Sonicare in a circular motion. It works for 30 seconds and then it stops on its own so that you don't over exfoliate your skin. The Sonicare basically helps to remove all the dirt stuck in all your pores and properly clean your entire face. I don't know if you can tell, but it gets extremely dirty. After cleansing my face, I'm just applying the toner. It makes me feel very fresh and clean, and it's literally my favorite step. Lastly, the most important step is moisturizing. This moisturizer is by far the best one I've used because it isn't oily and sticky on my skin unlike many others. That's all for today. I really like this product and it has done wonders on my face in the limited time I've used it, and I recommend you guys give it a try in any Clinique store near you. See you next time. Bye.